Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a legendary Japanese mermaid like yokai, the Amabie. So let's get started. To draw this Japanese spirit that's going to help protect us from COVID-19, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a very big circle. So same thing on the other side, just leaving enough room for a beak, so about right here. So I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so at the eyes end, so I'm going to come right here in this corner and give it a thick lash. And same thing over here. And then right on this eyes, there's this pattern, kind of like a starburst. So it's going to be 4 points down here and across. So same thing on this side, right in the center, down, and across. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to, above each eye, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And in between the eyes, we're going to draw the beak. So about right here, I'm going to start. Go curve and then bring it, join it at a point right here in the center and back up. So then from there we can draw the face. So I'm going to come where the eyes are, about right here, really close to the eye, and I'm going to draw a curve. So same thing over here. And then I'm going to connect it. So it's going to be a very short curve, shallow. And connect. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and finish the rest of the face. So I'm going to come right to the center, say about right here. Just give myself a point. And from there I'm going to go up with a curve and bring it right back down. And same thing over here. From there, I'm going to start to draw the hair. So I'm going to come right back up in this area right here, and I'm going to bring in a curve, pop it up a little bit, and then come right down next to the face. And same thing on this side. So I'm just drawing a strand of hair on both sides, same thing. So then right here, I'm going to start and bring in a curl. But right there, and just curl it in. So same thing over here. So about right here, just come in, and I'm just going to drag this point across. It's approximate. There, I got my 2 curls in. And then right here in this area, I'm going to draw the gill ears. So, but right here, come out with an angle and put in 2 curves and go back up. So then I'm just going to draw in 2 lines right here for some detail, and same thing on the other side. So put right here, and same thing, go out, curve, and we're going to end about right there. So come down, and 2 lines. From there, I'm going to come to the top again, go straight up once again in the center, about right there, and I'm going to bring in another curve just to finish off the hair at the top. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so we have our nice layers in here now with the hair. So then now let's draw the body before we finish the rest of her hair. So nice and center, say about right here and here. I'm going to straighten it out a tiny bit and then curve it out. Straighten out a little bit and then curve out. And we're just going to draw this small round kind of pear shape. And connect at the bottom. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the legs. So right in the center, right here, I'm going to start with the center fin leg. So right here, kind of like a mermaid. I'm going to, with a tail, flare it out. And I'm going to connect it with a curve all the way across. So then the other 2, so right here, I'm going to straighten out a tiny bit and out. And once again, curve and bring it in. So same thing over here. There. And you can draw in some detail lines if you like. Just sweep it up. Or you can do that when you're coloring. But notice the lines are following the curve. It's always harder with a Sharpie, it's so harsh. Okay, something like that. And then now we can go ahead and finish off the hair. So let's come in here, bring this through. It's gonna come down to this area right here. And I'm just gonna draw a big curve. So I'm looping her hair, kind of looks like waves, right? And bring it in. So I'm just gonna bring one big strand. And let's finish it off right here. Add some more. And one more. And now let's draw the other side. So same exact thing. Come through. And right here, about in this area. So about right there. We're just going to do the same thing. So curve. And then a big curve on the outside of it. And bring it up. And connect. And so then just add in another curve right here. And one more. Oops. And right here, since we still have some rooms, put in another curve right there and here. And so then that is pretty much it. So then now I'm going to come in here and draw a bunch of scales on the body part. So I'll start right here and this curve. I'm just going to go right across. 2 and 3, and I'm going to put another one right here that comes out. So when you're drawing the scales, there's no wrong or right way, but your goal is after you've drawn this top curve, you want to stagger your scales. So your next one will be right under here. So notice it's staggered, so then you can just continue the same thing across. And whatever space you have left, you just fill in the gaps. So then the next one would start right here. And you just keep going. So I'm just going to keep doing this. And you're probably wondering, what the heck is this thing that I'm drawing, right? So it's a Amabie. And I learned about it because it was on the news. I guess it's something that's become really popular in Japan. It's a very old Japanese legend. So there's a huge story behind, a big story behind it. So definitely Google it if you're interested. But basically this creature here, this yokai spirit, is supposed to help protect you from disease. So the legend is that if you keep a picture of an Amabie, or you share a picture of Amabie, it will protect you. And so it has become a very popular mascot in Japan for the coronavirus. So I'm drawing this for you because hopefully it's something you might want to consider drawing too if you believe in the legend, or even if you don't believe in it. It doesn't hurt, right? Because we all need some protection right now. So hopefully you love my version of this Amabie. There's like a million versions out there. And the original that I'm going to show you a picture of is pretty creepy. And there's creepy versions, and then there's cute versions and pretty versions. So this is my version of the Amabie. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me draw this legendary Japanese mermaid-like yokai, and it's inspired you to draw it too. So thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.